analyzing thousands of invoices in less than 10 minutes, it's now possible with AI automations using N10. So like I have worked with internal audit teams and finance teams, and they have been manually analyzing those invoices, checking those invoices, and finding the anomalies. And it's kind of impossible that they check all those like 1,000 or 2,000 invoices in one day, or I would say in 1 month. It's kind of impossible thing. And it takes a lot of time. A lot of mistakes are being missed. A lot of anomalies are being missed, and these mistakes can result you like can loss you thousands of dollars. So I have created an automation with the help of AI agent that takes your invoice, either it's in PDF format or it's in image format, and it takes all the data, text from that invoice, and gives you the specific text that you want, like whatever you want from that invoice. And then at the same time it saves everything in your database and then also sends a report to you. And this all can be done. For example, if you have 1,000 invoices, then in less than 10 minutes you analyze it and you'll find everything in your database. So this is possible with a tool N10 called N10, and other automation tools can do the same. But this is the workflow with an AI agent. So, for example, you have thousands of invoices and you just scan those invoices, you take images, and this is kind of an invoice, and you place it in your database, it in your computer, and then whenever you place it in your database and you just execute this, then all the invoice details, like for example I'm going to get the invoice number, date, and total amount. So it will get all this data, and also it will uh, generate a report to you, and will send an email, like the report will be sent through an email. So now I will just show you a demo of this automation, and you will find that all the details will be present, will be extracted to this database, and a report like this will be sent to your email, sharing that these are the anomalies detected, and this is the summary of all the invoices. Now we have 4 invoices, so I will just trigger this, and this trigger will run, and it will analyze all the invoices. It will download it. It will analyze the image. It will take the data with a structured output parser, and after analyzing each and everything, then it will store all this data, invoice number, date, and total amount in this database, which I have created an Airtable. This can be a Google Sheet also, whatever you want. And at the same time, a report will be emailed to you now. So it's analyzing each and everything. Now here you will see that all this data will be stored in this database. Yeah, so here is the total invoice data, the data analyzed by the and data extracted from these invoices. These are the PNGs, images. It can be PDFs, and this data is stored here: invoice number, date, and also the total amount. And a summary report has been emailed, sent to this email: invoice analysis summary report 1, anomaly detected, and analysis date, total invoices processed, total amount, average amount, and date range of the invoices. Also, it is giving you an outlier with a medium severity, that invoice 101 is usually low amount. So that's how you can get your invoices, like get all your invoices in image format, in PDF format, and you will get all the analysis into this database, an email report emailed to you, and in less than 10 minutes. Like if, for example, if you have thousands of invoices, I have less than like I have around 4 invoices, and I got this in less than around 2 minutes. So that's all. And in the next video, I'll be also sharing another demo of another AI automation that I have created. That is the customer contact center automation with the help of AI agent, and how the emails can be segregated and the reply will be generated to the customer. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.